welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, I'm your girl Bella, and I would totally love if you join me on my YouTube adventures. Hi guys! Hi everybody, I missed you. How's it going? How's it going? Happy Wednesday. First of all, happy Wednesday. I hope your week is off to a great start. We didn't have our Monday together because on Saturday, Saturday that passed, I took on a new job. Yep, I took on a new project because, I didn't have enough to do. I figured, hey, why not? Anyways, I love to work. What can I say? Fingers crossed, I have a feeling that this homeowner might let me film their house. So if he says yes, you're going to get to see what I do for a living. Okay, so that out of the way, I got a call. Okay, last week I got a call, and my cousin might be coming with the kids. So I went into the guest room and I was like, oh, and I'm looking around because this is a very, very sad state of affairs. Now, I have not done anything in here since Christmas. After they left at Christmas, no one really stayed in here. I took all the Christmas stuff down, and honestly, I've only come in here to vacuum and dust because I don't like dust and vacuum anywhere. The guest room is like at the end of the hallways. So don't really come down here that much. It needs some redo. So I thought you would like this. I have some old bedding that is florally. Now, keep in mind, I haven't seen this bedding in a while, so don't really know if I have other things to match it, but I want to give it a summer, summer refresh, make it feel like a luxurious hotel for my guests, even though it's my cousin. So I'm going to go get the stuff. I'm going to show you what the room looks like right now because it is bland as ever, and we'll get to decorating. Okay, guys, this is the before. I mean, how awful. So the bed, I left the white. It's like white cream, more cream than anything. This comforter, I like it, but look at it. No decorative pillows, no nothing. There's a little flower arrangement over there. The lamps, the lamps, the painting I'm gonna leave. Look over here. Look how sad this looks. Look at this. The extension cord from the little Christmas tree is still on the dresser. Hilarious. Nothing has been done. Nothing at all. I even took the candles away. I don't even know if I'm going to keep those candle holders, but I want to give you a before look. And then you'll see the big window there. And then there's a big armoire on this side. So if you wanted to see. And then on this side, there's just a painting. I've had that painting for years and years. Now let me show you some detail of the bed because I know you guys kind of like that sort of thing. And look at the awful light fixture. So it's a 4-poster bed, and this bed was made specifically for me. My dad made it for me. It's all hand carved. It's very beautiful. These are roses because I used to love, I still love roses, but yeah, this whole set you see in here, this used to be my old bedroom set with when my husband was alive. So this is, and I don't want to part with it now. Let's get to decorating because it's pretty bad. guys, it's all done. I'm going to take you on a little tour of the room and show you some of the details and what I did. And I'm going to explain to you how I folded the comforter and why. So let's start here in the bed. So on the bed, I put the sheets, and you'll see them here. These are the sheets here, and look how perfectly that pale green sheet matches with the color of the leaves. So I'm really happy about that. And oh, let me tuck this in. I really like the green, the pale green sheets with this comforter set. And then I added these pretty two purple lilac pillows that I had down in my storage room. Because you guys know I have a lot of stuff down there. And I like this pillow. I wanted something a little more pink, but I couldn't find anything. And then this is a matelassé. It's a French matelassé coverlet. And I think it looks great. And there's the comforter. Now, what I did, if you noticed in the video, I lay it on the bed and then I fold it over and then I fold it again. So if you're lying in bed at night and you're cold, you just grab this and pull it all the way up to you, and you will be warm at night if your guests are cold or whatever. So that's kind of how I like to have it done. So you can see here, let me pull this up. See there, it's just folded on itself, and then you just pull it up. And you can see my tripod. Okay, on this little end table, I added this lilac little flower arrangement. I think it looks so cute. It matches perfectly. And I know a lot of you are going to ask about these lamps. They're so old, guys. And a few years ago, I added this little ribbon detail to them. And okay, here's a sneak peek of baby Bella on her wedding. And there's my husband. Yeah, I put these in here because I thought, why not? It's nice to have them. Good memories. Very, very good memories. Okay, so there's another overview of the bed. Doesn't it just look so nice and welcoming? It looks so welcoming. I think they're going to love it. And if you go to this dresser here, I added some fresh white hand towels and some hand cream. And there's a picture of me and my husband. And then I added this pretty lilac, purpley lilac floral arrangement. And again, guys, I had this down in my storage room, so I didn't spend any money. And let me pan back so you can see the detail of the mirror and stuff like that, because I know you guys love to see details like this. And this is my old bedroom set, guys. This is what I had when I originally got married. And then here on this night table, I just added this little tray with a Miss Myers candle and the room spray. Guys, it smells amazing, by the way. Amazing, amazing. And it's from Walmart. If you're interested, you can get them at Walmart. You don't have to, and Target. You don't have to order from Grove Collaborative. But so there's the overview of the room. This way. So when they walk in, they're gonna see this, and I think it's gonna look really nice. I think they're gonna like their new space to stay for the week. So I think it looks really good. I'm really happy with it. That is the end of the video. What do you think? I think it turned out so cute. On a no-spend budget. That's the best kind of budget, right? We love a no-spend budget. I mean, I do anyways. I don't think, even though I'm not going to say how old this is because I already showed you the picture of me. So I'm sure you got an idea that baby Bella, when she got married, was a baby. This comforter set is quite old, but I don't think it's outdated at all. That's the good thing about buying stuff that's really good quality. They do last the test of time. The French matelassé coverlet is perfect. I think the sheets are just the right color, and they were never bought when I bought this. These are newer sheets that I had bought recently, actually, and they tied in really nice. I think replacing the floral arrangements and just dusting and refreshing it up, and putting new towels and stuff. And I also added some towels and shampoo, conditioner, and all that kind of stuff in the bathroom. I took the flower arrangement that was over there, put it in that bathroom, because there is a bathroom joining to this bedroom, but it's not that pretty, so I don't want to show it to you. Um, yeah, so I think it turned out great. I hope this video gave you some motivation. I mean, just change up something in your own house, just for the summertime. It would be nice to add some color. I mean, we're all doing, grays or beiges or very, very neutral. It's nice to see a little bit of color, especially in the summer. I kind of like color in the summer. And I'm anxiously waiting for my guests to get here. But in the meantime, I'm going to go do some work. Well, first I'm going to edit this video, and then I'm going to go do some work. So I hope you're having a fantastic week so far. I hope you're having a great, great day. I hope you know that I'm thinking of you. I would like a favor, please. I would like a favor. A subscriber of mine and a friend, I'm going to call her a friend, was diagnosed with cancer a few years ago. I don't know if she wants me to mention her name, so I'm not going to mention her name. And she got some terrible results. If we could please pray for her, just send some prayers up. And maybe we send some prayers up for everybody that is maybe suffering with cancer and stuff. So if you could please pray for her with me. Her first name is Susan, so I'm sure she'll be okay with that. So let's send some prayers up for Susan, guys, because all of you are very near and dear to my heart, and I love our little community so much. I love you guys so much, and I am deeply affected when you are affected. So can we just please send some prayers up for her, because she needs them right now. She's waiting on some results, and they might not be good, but they might be great. So I told her, have faith that it is nothing and everything will be okay. Anyways, I'm gonna get sappy and cry. Okay, guys, have a fantastic, fantastic day, and know how much I love you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, YouTube. Bye, everybody. Mwah. Bye, guys.